The Dutch cycle more than any other nation in the world, almost 900 kilometers per person. But that also means we have 350,000 bike-related injuries. Now imagine that we would make biking safer, smarter and easier by applying self-driving technology to biking.
We taught our self-driving bike to figure out where it is, what's around it, what will happen next, and what it should do. We leaned on Google's expertise in self-driving cars, but we had to adapt the technology to work on a bike. We decided to add 2 additional features. First, you can request the bike to pick you up wherever you are, and we developed a comfort mode, adjusting the pedals to a perfect resting position.
I think the self-riding bike could really give a boost to the economy because people could also work on their bicycle. You work in your office, you work in your home, you work in your car. You could even work on your bike.
I have so much more time. My kids love it. They're just free. They can go anywhere they want, anytime they want. It's amazing.
At the Fietsersbond, we feel that this is the biggest invention since the invention of the bicycle itself.
At Google, we always put our users first. With the launch of this bike, we believe we do that again.
Autonomous Bicycle Project. The brainchild of engineers at Massachusetts Institute of Technology is one of the most unusual projects of 2020. According to the developers, Autonomous Bicycle Project introduces a new stage of evolution for modern bikes. Outwardly, transport resembles retro gadgets from American science fiction magazines of the 50s. To make it travel in autonomous mode, engineers resorted to an original solution. The rear of the bike was equipped with a double convertible wheel. Its unmanned version has it split, fixing the wheels as a mirror tilt. As a result, we get a strange 3-wheeled vehicle that drives without human assistance. It's also worth saying that it looks a little creepy. The development is equipped with numerous sensors that track the position of the bike in space. The ABP is operated via an app, and in normal mode it resembles a classic bicycle with a twin rear wheel. According to the plan, an electric bike will go to recharge by itself and come back to the owner on call.